Building credit with Chime is a straightforward process that can help you establish or improve your credit score over time. Chime is a financial technology company that offers a range of services including a credit builder Visa credit card designed to help users build credit. To get started, you will need to sign up for a Chime account and apply for the Chime Credit Builder Visa credit card. This card is available to Chime checking account holders and does not require a credit check or security deposit. Once you have been approved for the credit card, you can start making purchases and payments to begin building credit. It is essential to make on-time payments as payment history accounts for 35% of your credit score. Chime reports your payment history to the major credit bureaus TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, which means that making regular payments will help you build a positive credit history. To maximize the benefits of using Chime to build credit, it is recommended that you make regular payments and keep your credit utilization ratio low. This means that you should aim to use less than 30% of your available credit at any given time. Additionally, it is crucial to monitor your credit report regularly to ensure that it is accurate and up to date. You can request a free credit report from each of the major credit bureaus once a year and review it for any errors or inaccuracies. By following these steps and using Chime responsibly, you can establish or improve your credit score over time. Remember to always make on-time payments and keep your credit utilization ratio low to get the most out of Chime Credit Builder Visa credit card. It is also important to note that building credit takes time and patience. Do not expect to see significant improvements in your credit score overnight, but with consistent, responsible behavior, you can achieve your long-term financial goals. In conclusion, building credit with Chime is a simple and effective way to establish or improve your credit score. By making on-time payments and keeping your credit utilization ratio low, you can build a positive credit history and achieve financial stability.